In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can start creating TikTok videos that could go viral without showing your face so you can start to make consistent affiliate commissions. What's going on, my friend Garrett here, back with another video. And recently someone messaged me. They said, Garrett, I'm working a job, I'm in an office, and I want to make some side income, but I don't really want to show my face. I don't want people to know what I'm doing, and I just want to kind of make money passively. And they told me that, they had looked at different methods to make money online, things like that, different platforms, and they were drawn to TikTok. Maybe you can relate. Maybe you've realized that right now, TikTok videos are still very easy to go viral, with the algorithm. And maybe you were led to this video because you really want a simple way to use TikTok without showing your face to do it. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you a couple examples of profiles that people have done without showing their face. Then I'm going to reveal how they actually did it. And then towards the end, in a tool that you can use that's using AI, artificial intelligence, to actually create these videos for you. Now, before I dive into the very first piece of this video, recently I actually put together some information where I'm hosting a free masterclass revealing way more information on exactly how you can make daily affiliate commissions from scratch anywhere in the world. So there's going to be a link directly below. When you go to that link, be sure you register for that upcoming masterclass and pay close attention because I think you're going to be blown away. But without further ado, let me go ahead and share with you the first example. Okay, so this right here, this profile is called Fearless Mentality. Now, Fearless Mentality, as you can see, it's all about success quotes. Okay, so this is in the motivational entrepreneur type niche. And you can see these videos are incredibly simple. I mean, it just has, like some little video that's like black right here and then some white text, okay? But what it also does is it has these clips from entrepreneurs and people, okay, like this, saying some motivational stuff. So again, this is one way you really don't have to show your face. And the cool thing is if you go over to YouTube, okay, you can actually search in, motivational quotes, and you can try to find, people that are popular, maybe like Tony Robbins or, Jim Rohn or these other people that talk about success quotes. And what you can do is you can actually take some of these videos and you can find some of these interviews and you can mash them up and create simple clips like this. And you can see, this one got close to 18,000 views, 2,000 views. You don't need a ton of views to get good promotion for your affiliate offers. Now, what I recommend you do is you put a link. Now, for whatever reason, this profile does not have a link, but you want to put a link in your bio, ideally your affiliate link. Now, you do also want to keep in mind that basically before you get to 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can't actually put a link in your bio. So you want to tell people to follow you first. And then once you get to over 1,000 followers, you can put your link in your bio. But now let me go ahead and share with you the second example, okay? You can see right here, this is called High Spirit Quotes. Again, for whatever reason, they do not have a link, which they're leaving tons of money on the table, because what you can do is you can actually post these videos, and then often in the captions, you want to tell people, hey, go to the link in my bio for more information, okay? And then you can find an affiliate product that has to do with motivation or has to do with entrepreneurship or whatever your niche is. So you'd put a link there. But you can see these videos are incredibly simple. It's just, a background of like, a lake or a mountain or something like that. And then it's just a piece of text with, like a success quote, right? And these are getting amazing amounts of views. And it's so easy to do these and you don't have to show your face, So one way you can actually create these very easily is you go to a site called Pexels.com. Now, Pexels is actually a totally free site, and you can actually go there. And the cool thing with Pexels is you can find copyright-free photos and videos to actually use, okay? So what you would do is you would select videos, and then you can actually search something like beach videos, and you see they have all these different beaches, or you could type in, mountain videos and just find some good videos. And like I said, these are free to use in your TikTok. So you can just download them here, and then you can actually go to Google and just type in motivational quotes, and you can actually find blogs and articles of tons of motivational quotes. You can see right here, 50 motivational quotes. Okay, so they have all these different quotes. So I can literally just take one of these, okay, put it on top of this video here, and then create a TikTok. And here's another example, okay, just to really spur the ideas. This is another example. This one right here, okay, is in the law of attraction abundance niche, okay, and you can see they do have a link. And all of these people are doing is very similar, okay, so, you could find like an image. You could also go to, like mansion, okay, and then try to find like, a mansion, okay, just like this. And then you can just literally put in like an affirmation, right? So these are all about affirmations, which are just positive statements. And then you can just post these. You can see these are getting insane amounts of views, okay? And then all you have to do is find like a law of attraction or positive mindset type product and put it here, and you can really start getting some really good sales, okay? So it's really simple. But now what I want to do is I want to share with you how you can even create these on autopilot, right? How you can use artificial intelligence. There's actually a tool that I found right here, okay? So if I go to a site called invideo.io, this right here allows you to create TikToks with AI. So all you have to do is go there and then click create a TikTok video now, okay? And once you sign up for a free account, you can see they have all these different templates, okay? So they'll actually create this video here and then the text there, okay, for you. And you can edit, what text is on there, what video and stuff like that. And you can go ahead and do this and then download those. And so again, you're using AI or using technology to really create these very attention-grabbing videos, which are incredibly powerful. Now for invideo.io, you can actually create one for free, okay? So they have, automated text-to-speech, things like that. So even if you type in text, it'll actually read it out. But if you want to really take this serious, you could even do just $15 a month, and it has no watermark, and you get tons and tons of videos that you can actually create, okay? So like I said, I just wanted to share the paid tool if you wanted to actually take this further. But I really hope you enjoy this. Like you can see, you can really pump out TikToks very simply without showing your face to start to get traffic and clicks to your affiliate link. Now, before I get going, remember I am having a masterclass where I reveal way more secrets on how to really take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. If you've struggled, or even if you're completely brand new and you want to discover some easy secrets to start to make daily commissions, go to the first link below, register for that masterclass, and then when it goes live, when you attend it, be sure you block out all distractions, you pay close attention, because I think you're going to be blown away about what you learn. But anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, like the video as well to let me know to make more, and I will see you on my next video.